Hi, my name's Evan here. Today we're going to be trying something different. We're going to be trying out some dash cams. That's right, we're going to be watching some dash cams. Of course, shout out to Mega Driving School. They do a lot of these kinds of videos where people submit them, clips and stuff. I just wanted to see what it's like to do some of these. I've seen another YouTuber called Astro Kitty. I'm also going to be putting him in the description. He does some Australian dash cam. And I just find it funny because earlier this year, before all the bad virus, I got my driving license and I just thought we would watch some of this because I thought it'd be funny. Obviously, it's not going to be the full 10 minutes. I don't want to like keep you here. It will be the highlights. Let's just get into it. Oh. Just gonna cut in lanes, dude. If you're in a lane, you have to commit to it, bro. Gonna be a T-bone here. Yeah, that's right. Oh, it comes out stumbling out of the car. He's gonna... Oh, there's a police officer. This guy's done for, bro. This makes me so nervous when I get a car and I start driving because, like, if someone's gonna run a red light, it's out of my control. Oh, his hood just... Wait. They're still going. What is she doing? She's gonna hit the house, dude. Oh, racer boys. It's a Mustang dude though. Oh, nope, the other guy's off the road. Plain and simple. Pay attention to road. No street racing. Tokyo Drift, did that say? What is he doing? Just carries on like normal. Oh, red circle. What? And he's still driving down the road. Oh, there's a tire! He just goes across the street now. Oh no. This can't be good. People do that? Get out of here, bro. Checking the door handle. Yeah, now you hear the camera alarm. You're running, bro. Oh, that has been Dashcams. Yes, indeed. Thank you for watching. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you do want to see some more Dashcam, if this is an okay video, then leave a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye-bye. 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 Bye. Goodbye.